Hello, welcome to Rewards Work. This time I'm going to tell you how simply choose between personal geodatabase.mdb and file geodatabase.gdb in our catalog. I assume here you already know what geodatabase is. There are two main reasons why we use a type of geodatabase: the size of your data and how we work with your data. Let's first talk about the size. Personal geodatabase has only a 2 GB size limit, while file geodatabase may be up to 256 terabytes in size, where 1 TB for each dataset. I usually use personal geodatabase for writing my paper and file geodatabase for doing my project. A personal geodatabase is a great choice for analysis and outputs. I put only related input data, so only selected data is in my personal geodatabase. However, in my project, I usually have a bunch of raw data, raster or vector, which needed to be prepared or cleaned. To share with your colleagues, you can find personal geodatabase in one MDB file, while file geodatabase in one folder. So that's it. I hope you can easily choose which one you needed to create, personal or file geodatabase in ArcGIS.